Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I guess got some pretty exciting stuff for you today. I said that I'd be posting video of the machine running and show you guys some extra stuff and everything. I never got the video uploaded, but this one goes up today. So I'm going to show you guys the other machine that was in the video with it running and show you what the effects of it does. And well, I want to say a couple things first off before we get to that. Thank you guys for, all the support and everything that you guys have shown me, and all the years and hard work and everything, and come in and your friends come and show you how, to finish the last part of it. We all got here together. So welcome to the new technology. Love you guys. We need your support. Trust me. You're gonna see why. So this motor here, well, just go ahead and show you that hang on here. There's plenty of power in this motor. I mean, if you can just touch it to start it, too much. Alright. There you go. Can't really see the pulses. Hang on. A little bit more. Alright. Can't see the flashes, can you? Oh. Well, I can definitely see them. Now listen and watch. That's right. It's getting faster. Fixing to switch phases and go again. Watch the light. It's really bright, so something that'll charge batteries and do whatever you need to do. And this is just the simplest form of it. Oh, I think did it switch? Yeah, it switched. The light's really steady. Probably gonna see it. It keeps so this will shift phases on itself to, when you're using Lenz's law in the correct way. It really throws Ohm's law out the window, and you don't really have to worry about these kind of things. So yeah, this thing just gets brighter and brighter, and for some reason you can watch the frequency as it goes forwards when it catches, and then it'll go backwards. Hang on. Hang on. 1 second. It's fixing to catch and go again. There it is. And now we're moving the opposite direction. Watch the phases change. And it'll speed all the way up, and then it'll change again and go the other way. Each time, frequency getting higher, pulses looking smaller. But they're just more compiling electrons. So anyways, I'm not gonna sit and watch this all day. Love you guys. Please, please show your support to the channel now. We need this more than ever. Whatever you can help us with, this is gonna change the world. And everyone's gonna be able to build these on their own. So, love you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video so that everyone sees it. I can't change the world by myself, especially with people against me. So, alrighty. Y'all have a great day. God bless.